Yeah, good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Isao Kamaldin, and welcome to the Trade Trends episode where I come to analyze the forex market and give you guys the potential trading opportunities. Actually, we are going to kick off with the GPBUSD today. In our last Trade Trends episode, we break down the chart from the monthly time frame to the daily to the 4 hours time frame. So, and we forecast that the pair is bullish, and our first level target for GPBUSD will be 1.3050, and our second level target will be 1.3200. And as you can see, we've we are about 160 or about 170 pips in profits. And if you are doubting me, you guys should check the last Trade Trends episode. And I also post on the YouTube on my YouTube page. I posted how when I got into the trade. So for you guys to know that I'm also trading this with you guys. So I'll go over to the 4 hours time frame and show you where my entry point is. Actually, my entry point was at the break of this counter trend line on the 4 hours time frame. What made me get into this trade? Actually, we've analyzed um the what just happened was that this was the higher high, higher low, higher high, and this is like higher low, and this is there is a demand level here too. The market took out the resistance bar. Yeah, the former the former higher high, sorry. So the markets break out the former higher high and give us a new high, and this is like the a demand level like, and also a lower low for the this impulsive move to the upside. So there was a break of counter trend line, and that was when we went long, and we are about 160 pips in profit. So what's next for the GPBUSD? Actually, there is nothing really much left. What we just have to do is to wait for the market to give us um another some pullbacks for us to get into this trade and ride it to the 1.3050. So that's what we want the GPBSD to do for us now, because there is no doubt, I have no doubt that our next level target for GPBSD will be 1.3050. I'm very sure of that. I'm very sure of that because the market, there is nothing holding this back. I don't actually see anything holding this back. We've broke through the counter trend line. We've broke this this resistance line and the second one too. So definitely we are going all the way to the upside. Our next level target will be 1.3050. So if you are not in this trade yet, actually I'm in this trade. I've been holding this for about days now, and the next week too I will still be holding it till the market hit our first level target. But if you are not in this trade, what I'll just want you to do is to be patient and wait for pullbacks. Definitely there will be pullbacks. So getting from that pullbacks, be looking for demand levels. Just spot out your demand levels maybe on 2 hours time frame or 4 hours time frame, and and to get into the trade and right um to the 100% retracement. As you guys can see, it is also right on the 0.618 Fibonacci level. You guys know the 0.618 level works so well. It holds whenever the price bounce off it. It's definitely hold. If it is not going to hit the 100% the extension level, it will at least come over to the 100% retracement, and we still have about 100 pips more to hit the 100% replacement. So what you guys have to do is just to wait for demand levels for you to get into the trade. Just wait for demand levels. So if we take out 1.3050, our next level targets for GPBUSD will be 1.3200. So that's it on GPBUSD. I'm not going to analyze from the monthly time frame. You get If you want the full analysis from the monthly time frame, you should check out the last trade trend episode. So the next pair we'll be analyzing for today is gold. The same thing with gold. I analyzed gold from the monthly time frame, I analyzed gold from the monthly time frame in the last Trade Trends episode. I'm not going to do that today because I have a couple of pairs that I want to analyze. I still have about two more pairs to analyze that is currently taking off to analyze for you guys so we can trade this together. So for the sake of time, I'm not going to analyze gold from the monthly time frame. But what's going to happen on gold is that, as you guys know, I said in the last Trade Trends episode that the number of time that a market used to range, that's the number of time which is going to use to move. So definitely the gold range for this amount of time. So definitely it will trend for this amount of time too. But for the sake of psychological level, I moved it to 2,600 per ounce. Yeah, you guys will Fibonacci levels also work a lot. Psychological levels also work a lot. So that's why I will be moving gold to 2,600 per ounce. So that's our next level target for gold. I'm not in this trade yet. I haven't find a decent um trading opportunities, but I'm still waiting for demand levels on gold for me to enter the trade so we can ride all the way to the upside. So next level target for gold is 2,600 per ounce. So when we take that out, we'll know. I will come here and tell you guys what's next. But for now, the next level target for gold is 2,600 per ounce. That's it for gold. I still have about a couple of pairs to analyze to you guys. So actually, I was in NCD USD trade, the buy trade. You guys, I didn't analyze this in the last Trade Trends episode, but if you guys can check my post on YouTube, you will see the how when I posted the entry there. So if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you get to see that I'm in this trade. So, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you can get to see more of my posts because I post a lot and I post videos, and the Trade Trends episode you get to see it. Any analysis I give, you get to act on it before the market has moved. Because if you are just seeing my last Trade Trends episode today or after the release of it, if you did not view it immediately, if you did not watch it immediately, you won't be in that GPBUSD trade, and you'd have missed a lot of pips. As you guys know, we are about 160 pips in profit. So if you do not subscribe to my YouTube channel, you might miss that trade. So I urge you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and also comment on my videos. So this was how I was able to enter the NCD USD trade. You guys know um euro is euro decides whatever the dollar index is going to do. The dollar index is euro dollar, inverse of euro dollar. So whenever the euro USD is trending, then the dollar index too will be trending. And you guys know NCD USD is also a major pair. It is a USD pair. So since I know that um the euro dollar is trending upward at the moment temporarily, and I spot something nice on the NCD USD chart. If you guys can see I place my Fibonacci from swing high to swing low. You can see it is right on that 0.618 level. um this is also the top touch of the trend line. You guys know how the top touch of the trend line works. If the top touch of the trend line holds, if it didn't break, because that's the confirmation of the trend line. The top touch of the trend line confirms if it is truly a trend line or it is just a temporal trend line. But it's confirmed that it is truly a trend line. So the top touch of the trend line, there was also a support level. There was also a demand level. There was a demand level there, top touch of the trend line, and and Fibonacci level. And if I should go over to the 1 hour time frame, as you guys can see, this is a continuous chart pattern. If you guys can see, so I entered on this close of this or on this break um of this trend line. Then I ride all the way to the upside, but they are not in this trade currently because I moved my stop loss to break even, so I got stopped out around there. But I'm still waiting for demand levels for me to join this trade and ride all the way to the upside. We still have about 30 pips to go all the way to the upside for NCD USD. So the next level target for NCD USD will be 0.6080. That's it. But i- the side in case of the psychological level, our next level targets for NCD USD will be 0.6100. That's it for NCD USD, guys. So I'll go over the next pair that we have for today. So I hope you guys understand this. So if you don't understand, you should check out the last Trade Trends episode, and you should make sure, guys. I want to say one thing. You should make sure you check out my um my posts, my YouTube posts, because I post every trade that I'm getting into. I post it on there. So if you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel, you won't get to know. So that's it for NCDUSD. The next pair we'll go over is GPBAUD. Actually, I'm going to analyze this from the monthly time frame for you guys to understand. So what's happening on the monthly time frame for NCD This was a double, like a double bottom. So there is a rule for chart pattern. Whenever there is a double bottom, if at least the double bottom will not hold, the market would at least come to the neckline of it, whether it is going to form a range or it will hold the double bottom. So what I mean is that this is the double bottom and this is the neckline. So definitely the market is going to come to the neckline. If at all it is going to is going to play out the double bottom, or it will form a range and go back to the downside. But then again, the market would at least come to the neckline first. So the overall target for GPBAUD on the monthly time frame analysis that we do is 2.100. That's the overall target generally. But then again, we can't enter from the monthly time frame, and we cannot enter from the weekly time frame. We just have to find the immediate trend, avoid the overall trend, because the market might be trending down temporarily, and if we should just enter the market like that, we'll be having a lot of ridiculous stop loss, and you guys know we don't want that. Our job as a trader is to use smaller stop loss to catch bigger moves so we can maximize our profits. So what's happening on the weekly time frame? There is a minor level of all those level too. So this is the minor level. The market broke through it and it currently came back to a test on it. That's on the monthly time frame. It formed an inverse center and shoulder pattern, and the market broke through it. And you guys know, whenever there is a break of neckline of a reversal chart pattern, you guys know that it is going to work. Whenever there is a break of the neckline, assuming the market didn't break this neckline, I will still be in a doubt that this market wants to go up. But there was a break of the neckline. There was a break of the neckline of the even head and shoulder. The market broke through the 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 trend line, going down, the downward trend line. The market broke through it and it is currently retesting on it. Let me go over to my daily time frame so you can get to understand what I'm trying to say. So this is the market. You guys know I do a minor level on the on the weekly time frame, the minor level guiding the overall the overall trade all the way to the upside. You guys know we set our next level target on the monthly time frame that we did is 2.1000. So the overall trend guiding it all the way to the upside there is a minor level. So the market formed inverse head and shoulder on the minor level, as you can see, like the left shoulder, head, and this is the right shoulder. The right shoulder also formed a double bottom. Like you guys can see, there is a lot of confluence in this trade. That's why I said I must analyze this for you guys, so you guys can jump on this trend too. And if you can see this trend line, the market broke through this trend line, returns back on it, and I used the good thing is that I used my Fibonacci level from swing high to swing low. The market is currently testing on the 0.618 level, and you guys know how powerful the 0.618 level works. So there is a lot of confidence in this trade. But then again, we just, because we have a lot of confidence, we just be trading blindly. But we've done our analysis. We've get to know that this market is ready to go all the way to the upside. So what are you going to do? We don't want to have ridiculous stop losses. So what we just have to do is scale down to the 4 hours time frame to find our entry opportunities. So on the 4 hours time frame, as I said, I do my counter trend line. You guys know that's the entry strategy that I love the most. So I do my counter trend line. What we just have to be doing is to wait for the break of this counter trend line. But on this, I hope the market come back to this level here before it breaks all the way to the upside. So whenever, we just have to be looking closely. The overall target, the over like the we just have to be looking closely. The break of this counter trend line, that's where we will enter the trade from. Then our stop loss will come below this level. So yeah, our stop loss will come below this level. Actually, for this trade, um 100 pip stop loss won't be bad. What we just have to do is to limit our risk, because we are going for a lot of big pips. As you guys can see, if I should, just 100% retracement is 4.7 is to reward. So if you are risking about 2% on your account, you are making about 10% on your account just on a trade. And that's even, it is not even the overall target, it is just the first level target. So if I should draw it to the overall target, that's about 12.21%, and you will be making about 24% of your account just on a trade, guys. So you guys can see how crazy it is. So what we just have to do is to be very, very patient. You should look closely. And the rule of a trader is to be very, very patient. So what we just have to do is, with this, is be very patient and calm, and wait for this counter trend line to break nicely before we enter. We are going to make a lot of money. So that's it on today's Trade Trends episode, guys. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and also comment, and turn on the post notification bell, so you guys can see all of my new videos before the trade play out. So thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Bye.